Good morning. For 4 News Now, I'm Rob King. We're doing an early stream this morning to get you ready as you're prepared to go out the door. We're going to bring in a professional to tell you about what to expect today as we are in a winter weather advisory. So for my professional, I'm bringing in 4 News Now weather anchor Mark Peterson. Mark, thanks for hopping on.
Oh, good morning, everybody. Yeah, we do have a winter weather advisory. It was a wind advisory that's been changed over now, and we're starting to see that light snow come in. These are what we call today and tomorrow weather alert days. That is weather that could very well seriously impact your day. It could be dangerous at times, certainly for the higher elevations. Take a look at what our alert day is set up for. And it really is about the winds. We had those this morning, the snow moving in now. And again, travel as you're moving about, certainly for later on today, Spokane, Coeur d'Alene, we're going to see that evening commute impacted by 1 to 3 inches of snow in the lower elevations. That's today and tomorrow, Rob, that we're calling for an alert day because of those conditions. I believe you have a shot of the radar. This is a snapshot of what we're seeing, and you can see where I-90 from Spokane all the way into and past areas of Coeur d'Alene, and that's 4th of July pass, receiving snow. You see the light blue and not the white. Those are heavier amounts of snow falling with a little rain snow mixed up 395 and Highway 2 in Deer Park. That's all going to change over to snow, and we're going to see the impact there being the slippery roads. They can de-ice quite a bit, but not all of those outlying areas are going to get that de-icer. So certainly the Department of Transportation, both Idaho and Washington, are working the roads, but we just want everyone to be careful. Winter weather advisory. Rob, let's go to that page. A winter storm warning in the pink, and that goes all the way from St. Mary's to Kellogg, right about 4th of July pass, all the way into Montana. So heavy snows have been falling there all night, and they will continue. Now we have the winter weather advisory, and that's going to continue to be a part of our world until, let me get the exact time on that now, till tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. We've got, again, this light snow coming in is going to be a cumulative effect, 1 to 3 inches in the lower elevations. We're going to see anywhere from 3 to 6 into Coeur d'Alene. Higher you go, the more snow you're going to get, and that's the reality that if you're going to be traveling, you're going to see winter driving. Now here's what happens, Rob. We had winds yesterday to 61 miles an hour over into Pullman. We had winds to 45 miles an hour in Spokane. Moses Lake had trees down from winds that went through last night. We're going to hold the winds, Rob, but now they're going to come from the north. All right, the north is cold. It's the Arctic air. So that's going to move in through us, and that's going to cool us down. So we look at the light snow continuing, the 4 things you need to know. The winds shifting later. So they've been from the south, now they're going to be from the north. We're going to watch those temperatures plummet. They're going to be in the single digits in many areas. We're going to be in the teens for tonight, and then a cold, windy Wednesday. We'll wrap it up, Rob, with what we're going to be seeing for the next 12 hours. It's a very consistent message. The light snow is going to continue to fall. Temperatures are going to be in the mid-30s. Now, normally we'd see rain snow mix, but just above us is a colder air mass, so it is snow coming down. We see a little rain snow mix or grapple potentially, but it will in the end be snow, and it will add up to 1 to 3 inches. So we want to advise everyone, if you're going over, Snoqualmie Pass has had over a foot of snow. Stevens Pass is a mess. We have change required on heavy items also, unless you have all-wheel drive vehicles. So if you're heading to Seattle, it's a mess right now. If you're going to go into Montana, Lookout Pass, again, they've been working it, but now the snow is really starting to gather. They've had over 4 inches of snow, and they're going to add more to that. So again, you're going to want to know before you go. Download, again, our First Alert Weather app. It's free and available in the App Store, and it'll tell you what's happening in hourly breakdowns, so you can be prepared if you have to leave the house.
Mark, I got to be honest, I'm a little bummed. We had a nice string of above seasonal temperatures, and I was hoping to continue that, but now we've kind of sunk back into that wintry, weathery mess.
This is going to be a situation where it lasts, the very cold temperatures will last through Friday morning. All right, Friday afternoon, Saturday, Sunday, we'll slowly warm up. And we'll be to about average by Sunday, Monday, but a chance of light snow there. So this bitter cold, yeah, it's going to be with us through the end of the week. Overnight lows into the single digits Thursday, Friday, with light winds. That is a pretty big wind chill. So you need to make sure when you leave the house, and you and your kids, that you've got the winter weather, the winter jacket, hats, and gloves. That's going to be the setup for the next 3 to 4 days.
Got it. Mark, anything else you want to add?
Just be careful out there. The evening commute will get underway, and it gets to be a little messy around here. They've got de-icer down. It takes a while for it to work. So go slow, take it easy, and just give yourself plenty of time.
Got it. 4 News Now is Mark Peterson. Thank you for hopping on with me. I appreciate it.
You bet.
All right. And thank you for joining us. That's for our weather alert days again today and tomorrow. As Mark was saying, expect those Arctic temps to move in. And for now, live in the KXLY Plus Digital News Center, Rob King, KXLY Plus.